Is this what I think it is? Hey bulls, welcome back to my channel. If y'all don't know who I am Deki Boo, and once you join my team you will become my boo. So today I will be opening a mystery box, guys.
Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it, so the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high till it run past everybody video for support the channel that not killer.
This mystery box is from the literary witch, guys, and I'm telling you I am so scared to open it because I don't know what is inside. And she messaged me and said sorry in advance. So we know say something. I don't know how to think, I don't know how to feel right now, but just pray for me while I pray for myself in Jesus' name. So the box here, guys, it's about, say how much on it's about 3-4 pounds, who knows. Yeah, sealed. She says something in it is fragile, and just to save myself from whatever, I'm gonna put on my gloves because I don't know what inside. I watched a video once with a guy opening a mystery box, and it was a scary one, guys. It was some things them see blood, all sort of things. We don't know what's coming for us, so let us put on our gloves right now. I'm nervous. So guys, in the meantime, go over the Little Witch channel and subscribe. It is on the screen right now, and the link will be in the description box below. The first thing you see in the description, all you need to do is click the title, then you're gonna see the Little Witch, then you're gonna just go on our channel and subscribe. Now I'm begging you, please go over there and let her know that the kiddo sent you, and you can also comment what you think about the things that are in this box as well. So are we ready? Alright guys, let's do this. We are brave, we're tough, we are so stronger than anything that is in this box. Oh my god, guys. Alright, let me just pray first. Heavenly Father, anything that is in the box, you know what, whatever. It's open. Okay, so this is how it looks. Nothing no jump out yet, so I guess we're cool, alive. Okay. Gonna try fast from outside. This is the bravest thing. You know, girl, let me tell you the honest truth, girl. I went in the pharmacy just a while ago and I'm gonna take up one of this. I'm gonna put it back. Me I tell them, I swear, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna put it back because I 240 something on the feet. I'm gonna put it back, literally. I was gonna buy it. God knew why you did it. God knew why. What? What? What's up in there? Y'all see me? Something in there wine. Oh, thank you. What the problem? My friend, stop it. A cup of tea literally see something in it in our share. What in there? The man? Oh, what is Jesus? Why not this? Oh, I'm afraid. Oh, boy. Oh God, little witch. I know you know, but oh my God, Lord have mercy. What this is anyone? I'm just kidding. But, oh my God, oh thank you. Even though, oh let me read it. Vibrating egg. 100% waterproof. Almost silent vibration, make you immersed in extreme secret space. Silicone ooh, this is nice. Egg. Oh, let me put it. Yes, we need to put it fast. It's a one. So what am I do? Oh, the battery goes in this side. So is that enough for pull? Oh, yeah, me I see. I don't know. But you know, today may I think about this, hear me from work. If I ever that you put in them, I will just say thanks. Thank you. You know, my mind just can't think about everything like something else in the box, guys. Something else in the box. I mean, don't look at it. Oh my God, I'm a birthday. Oh God, girl. Oh God, we need a soap. Jesus, you know, I'm gonna wash my face. You know, oh long guys, I'm gonna wash my face. I'm going to use the soap here now. Oh, I feel like my gear right. Mixture box too. Oh, this have to clean up after I'm done. Oh, and it's sweet. I feel like the edibles are put on your body and everything. You know what I mean? One book. She knows some of the read. Oh, what kind of book is Jesus Christ? Oh man, she has started the mood of Valentine's. This book is Protect, honor the man that he protects her passion, made him claim her. Whoa, it named Chic Seduction. Oh God, girl. I know someone look like the island. I'm back in but God know. God know. God know, girl. Oh, tuna. This is for what? Oh, I love tuna though. I love tuna and mayo, guys. Tuna and mayo. Tuna and mayo. No, but you can't just look at me like him and say you're. Girl, what you tell me? What are you trying to tell me? This is emotions. What is this? It's a book. Oh God. You know, I always love to write my emotions. I like to write things. Like, feel like everything. Girl, I have much book when I write certain things. And like, this is gonna be the most cherished ever one. Yeah, because it named emotions. Sorry, I'm very emotional. Like, really, I don't even want more. Beard after my done. Yeah, my beard. So, you know them something here, guys? I'm gonna show them. Them are nice to beard with. When you're younger, tell me if you know it. You know them something here? Look here, nice. It's called your body good. Smell good. Smell good already. I'm not a paper cup. What? So in there, what you see? Something's cute. Is this what I think it is? Safety first, I guess. I'm not a paper cup. This is cute. Oh, what they yo, it come like said that girl that know me now. What they have said some co-worker said want a cup in the mornings when I go work and put up, but I get one cup the other day with my face on it, but I said I want a regular cup just, you know, drink tea in the morning and work and everything. So me get the cup here. Oh, do you think a tea bag, you know? I see it in the cup and think I want a tea bag. Honestly. Yeah, I good. What? It's a socks. You could stack in socks, right? Try this socks on. See? Yeah. Now the last thing your cup of tea, I want that chair. Look over in that box, you know. Last but not least, it's like she know me. I always want one of them something here. I know some favorite fun. It's mine. What is it? It's a pillow like so. Well guys, that's it. Thank you, the little witch, for not making me scared and for this mystery box, because like honestly when I say sorry in advance, even though I never expect them something there, like I like the soap because I need to be it for a while. And thanks. Tuna, but I'm gonna eat from morning. Oh my god, the socks. The book. I gonna read this. I gonna read it because it's spicy. It's destiny awaited in the desert. Get down. Carry command in a tone that bore no resistance, and she did so immediately. This
and then book they read.
Yeah. I like it. I like the look of romance. I like the look of Mills and Boone. I never heard about this yet. Just a recap on what I got. So I got the book. We got this comfy, squishy. Our sock. Our candy. Soap. The book to write my emotions, which I will write my emotions in. This is it. The cup, the tuna, that thing, that, and my nice good body rag. Guys, remember to go over the Little Witch channel and subscribe. Just go over there, show her some support, tell her thanks for me, because I am so grateful for all of these things. It's like she knows I need some of them things here. And I'm not feeling always say give me all of them something there, because you know, who knows. But thank you, the Little Witch. I'll see you guys in the next video. As I say, if you're still watching this, go subscribe to our channel. Come and say someone don't do it as yet. I'm waiting. 5 seconds. Okay, bye bye.